Hi everybody, this is Sonia and I am Catcrazy Creations Crochet here on YouTube. I hope this is finding everybody doing well. It has been a while since I have been on, probably a month, maybe a little longer. This is just a quick video. I did some crocheting, but not a lot. I have been working on a secret stitch for my son, cross stitch. And so that has kind of taken up all of my time. So that has kind of got interfered with my crocheting a little bit. But I have crocheted some, and I do want to share with you. Okay, the first thing that I want to share, let me get my items here. Okay, this is called Muffins cat ball. And I have showed the little catnip balls that I have made for my cat before. Okay, well what I have done, remember how I have talked about taking a pattern and turning it into something else, or using a bigger hook, a larger size yarn, or anything like that, just to make it bigger or make it look different. Well, that's what I did. I have showed you the dog toys that I have made, you know, for my dogs, just out of using other patterns that I have found. So my son, as you guys know, has a boxer puppy. He's about 7 months old now, and totally energetic. He is so energetic. So my son asked me if I could make him, his dog, for Christmas, a toy, because he had been over playing with my dog's toys, and they were very durable with him. So I agreed. So I'm going to show you. I went from this, using the same pattern. I went from this. I increased maybe the rounds, but it's the same thing. So this is what I came up with. And as you can see, I am pushing in on it. This is very thick. I went over and over it. See all the nubbies? I closed off all the holes. So there is really nothing that he is going to be able to poke a tooth through and pull. Now, of course, you know, they're puppies, so this is not going to last. He will eventually get through it, and that's fine. And it's like basically any other toy, unless you buy one of the toys like the Kongs or anything like that, they are going to eventually break through the toys. That's just how dogs are. But this is the toy that I made from the little cat ball toy. And this will be part of his puppy's Christmas present this year. So I did make that. And the second thing that I worked on, I made two things, and I made them out of the Karen cakes that I got in the, when did I get that? I got it in the crochet carousel when it got back to me. And this is spice cake. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. or not. I don't think so. But anyway, it says spice cake. And it's really, really pretty colors. So this is actually made out of the spice cake. And I added some, there's little crochet, the cotton thread throughout it as well. But this is part of the spice cake, the Karen cakes. But I first made this hat. With it. And you can see the striping as it goes up into this. And then I made a cowl. I have not put the ends in yet. I made a cowl. It's just for, it's around the neck cowl. It's not, but you can see the striping. Starts here, goes up here, and then I ended it here because I wanted it, even though it's not the exact same color, I wanted it to end with a light color. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on just to show you. I know it's going to mess my hair up, but that's okay. Let me see if I can bring it down just a little. And I like these around the neck because they're really easy to get put into the, there's that. And I'm going to go ahead and put the hat on. So that is what it would look like. So here's the top. And then here is that. So if I had this all the way zipped up like that. And I like it because it is like this. You know, it can be pushed in. If it's really cold, you could put it up. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on while I'm talking, so I don't have to take it all off. But anyway, I got this pattern. It was from CrochetSpot.com. I believe I've been telling you guys to put in the Crochet Spot, but I believe it's just CrochetSpot.com. And this was a free crochet pattern. It says right here. And it is called the Southwestern Beanie. Only thing I did not do was I did not put the pom-pom on it. On the hat. So there's the hat. And on the, let me see, okay. Thought I had one for the, I didn't bring it. Anyway, this cowl right here is a cinch cowl. You're supposed to right here put like a leather cord through here, and then you could cinch it and tie it. But I didn't want to do that, but it is cinched. But this is the same one. I just did not want to cinch it. So it goes together. It is the same pattern. But anyway, that is what I have been working on since my last video. And there are still a couple of people that have not gotten a hold of me about the patterns that they have won. So go back probably a couple of videos and I announce the winners. And I believe one of them is Jennifer D. is one of them. And I know there's a D. Thompson. I don't know if that was crochet or if it was cross stitch. I will have to check that out. But anyway, you guys have patterns that you have won. So please email me at my email, which is down below, with your addresses, and I will get those patterns right out to you. So anyway, that is all for this time. I just wanted to come back on and let you know I'm okay, that just I've been trying to get something accomplished for my son for Christmas, and it's kind of taken away from the crocheting for the time being. But I did get this stuff done and the dog toy done. So yeah, so I'm around, everything's good, getting ready for Christmas, got my tree up with my handmade ornaments. I have a video on the tree and the ornaments, and I also have one on just the ornaments. So check those out. And if I'm planning to come back the Sunday before Christmas, but if I don't, I wanted to take this time to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, or whatever it is that you celebrate during this time of the year. I want you guys to, you know, enjoy yourself during this time, and however you enjoy it. And I just want to wish all of you a Happy New Year. But I know I will be back before then. But anyway, I want everybody to take care. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support throughout the year. And if you have just found me, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, which is next to the subscribe button. And that will let you know of any future videos that I do. So until my next video, take care.